Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable gifts in the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the TikTok app. Here it usually opens it up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the profile menu, in the top right corner, there are three lines. We tap on those. And here in this little pop-up, we select Creator Tools. And in the Creator Tools menu, in the middle, there's Video Gifts. We tap on that. And here we can turn on Video Gifts. And this way we can receive gifts and credits and coins for our videos that are eligible for this function. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.